Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good, safe, and healthy at home. So, dear student, I am Munish Yadav, PGT Economics from Surya School Bhiwadi again here to discuss with you a very important topic from chapter 13. As we are studying chapter 13, market equilibrium under perfect competition and effects of shift in demand and supply. So, beta in the previous video yesterday we had complete about the equilibrium point under the perfect competition, and today our topic is effects of shift in demand and supply. So dear student, look at here is the topic: effects of shift in demand and supply on market equilibrium. How chain effect works. It means we have to study about the chain effect. So what is chain effect? Chain effect means one by one things changed. एक जगह से शुरू होगा, then after second, then third, then fourth, and so on it will change. Okay, it means other things change one by one, not simultaneously. एक साथ कोई भी चीज़ चेंज नहीं हो रही है, one by one, एक के बाद दूसरी, दूसरे के बाद तीसरी, इस तरीके से चीज़ें जब चेंज हो रही है, this is chain effect. Clear? So chain effect we can study in two parts. Shift in demand, one time demand will change, and second part will be chain effect of shift in supply. It means supply curve will change. Okay, so first is chain effect of shift in demand. So my dear student, shift means जब demand या तो इंक्रीज हो रही है या डिक्रीज हो रही है. इट मीन्स ईदर इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. शिफ्ट का मतलब भी दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाता है, इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज. शिफ्ट इन डिमांड में मीन्स इंक्रीज इन डिमांड और डिक्रीज इन डिमांड. इट अकर्स ओविंग टू चेंज इन डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ डिमांड अदर देन ओन प्राइस. बिकॉज ओन प्राइस की वजह से तो मूवमेंट्स होती है और बाकी अदर फैक्टर्स चेंज होने से शिफ्ट होता है. फॉरवर्ड होगा, अगर इन डिमांड इंक्रीज हो रही है तो इट विल शो फॉरवर्ड चेंज, फॉरवर्ड शिफ्ट, और डिमांड डिक्रीज हो रही है तो इट विल शो बैकवर्ड शिफ्ट. ओके, सो नाउ हैव अ लुक फॉर द डायग्राम. हियर इज डायग्राम. And beta, it is very important to write the observation. Observation part is very easy. I will explain today. Yes dear student, first how market observe the impact of increase in demand. Means increase in demand किस तरीके से चलेगा. So look at the point. First we have to make equilibrium point. So first of all, on the x-axis quantity, on the y-axis price. So first is supply curve, second demand curve. D1 is old demand curve. Okay, where both the point meet. इस तरीके से आपको इक्विलिब्रियम बनाना है, जहाँ दोनों पॉइंट मिलेंगे ये मार्केट इक्विलिब्रियम है, और उसके नीचे क्वांटिटी बना लेनी है और उसके सामने इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस बना लेना है. अब कंडीशन क्या है? इंक्रीज इन डिमांड. अब डिमांड इंक्रीज करने का मतलब है इट मीन्स डिमांड कर्व विल शिफ्ट फॉरवर्ड. ओके, अब डिमांड कर्व को फॉरवर्ड शिफ्ट करेंगे. Now look at the point where demand and supply meet, new demand and supply meet. So this is the point where demand and supply, and now P2 price and Q2 quantity. Okay, so it means price increase P1 to P2 and quantity is also increase Q1 to Q2, and equilibrium price also increase E to E1, E to K आप ले सकते हो. So what is chain effect here? So first is this is the old equilibrium point, this one, and this is the new equilibrium point. So first just meet this equilibrium point to the new demand, and beta just check the triangle. ये जो ये ट्राइंगल बना है, दिस इज द चेन इफेक्ट. डिमांड चेंज होने से प्राइस चेंज होगा, प्राइस चेंज होने से सप्लाई में क्या होगा? मूवमेंट होगी. ओके, सो दिस इज द चेन इफेक्ट. वेरी सिंपल, वेरी इजी. और अब आपको इसकी ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखनी है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? D1 इज इनिशियल डिमांड कर्व, D2 new demand curve, SS is supply curve, P1 is old equilibrium price, Q1 is old equilibrium quantity, E is equilibrium point done. And when demand change, D1 to D2 new equilibrium price shift, P1 to P2. Okay, and new quantity is Q1 to Q2. So it means you have to write all the diagrammatic points in your book as a observation. Clear? So this is very simple chain effect. As demand increase, price of the commodity is also increase, and supply extend. Clear? Yes. And second part is how market observe the impact of demand decrease in demand. So very simple, as we are studying on the x-axis quantity, on the y-axis price. Same, first of all just make the equilibrium point S and D1. This is the equilibrium point. P1 is equilibrium price, Q1 is equilibrium quantity. Now decrease in demand curve means shift demand curve back side. Okay, so अब जो हम back side shift कर रहे हैं D2, this is back side. Okay, so now just check the point where new demand meet with supply. So this was the point P2 and Q2. Clear? So what is chain effect here? Demand decrease, E to Q demand decrease हो रही है. Okay, E to F is demand decreasing, then price decreasing, P1 to P2 price decrease हो गए, and supply is contraction in supply. So my dear student, it means when demand will increase or decrease, no change in supply change नहीं होगी, because at the one time only one thing will change. Okay, demand change होने से price पे effect होगा, price से फिर supply पे. Clear? This is chain effect कि one thing is responsible for change in others. Okay, I hope you understand today's point. Today we will discuss the further points. So do all the questions in your notebook. Stay blessed, stay safe.